Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of a layer in Krita. First, select the layer you want to edit in the Layers docker. Make sure you're in the correct paint layer, because adjustment filters only affect the currently selected layer unless you use filter masks. Now go to the top menu and click Filter. Then choose Adjust, then HSV Adjustment. This opens the Use Saturation and Value window. This standard method Krita provides for recoloring artwork. To shift the overall color, move the Use slider left or right. This rotates the color wheel and changes all colors in that layer. If the color looks too dull or too strong, adjust the saturation slider. If it's too dark or bright, tweak the lightness slider. Once you're satisfied, click OK, and the layer will update instantly. If you want a non-destructive method, meaning you can edit it later, right-click the layer, choose Add, Filter Mask, then select HSV Adjustment there instead. This keeps your original artwork intact while letting you fine-tune the color anytime. And that's how you change the color of a layer in Krita. Thanks for watching.